Okay, it is Sunday, May 30, May 23rd, 2021 at 6:33 a.m. I'm getting to embark on my trip to Pittsburgh and back. It's about 670 miles-ish. I'm trying to get about 100 miles today. Pretty sure I'm not going to make it, but we're going to try. I guess here we go. And I'm probably not going to film a lot of this beginning because it's all road stuff and crappy and yeah. So anyways, I might film a little bit. It is now 23rd at 6:45. It's a hard start. Kind of had to wind around my neighborhood because the directions it was trying to give me were about trying to get me murdered. It's the 23rd, 7:20 a.m. on Trevilla Road. Still heading my way down to C&O. Woo! There's some hills on this mother. Oh boy. Well, let's see if I can do this without getting killed. Sunday morning, so it's not too bad out on the roads. What are you saying? All right. See you in a little bit. All right. 23rd, 7:27. This is Piney Branch Meeting House Road. I'd have never gotten out of kindergarten if I had to spell all that. But this is land of the
many millions of dollars houses, regardless of their size. This is beautiful Potomac, where the rich people live. Hey, that fence is around somebody's house. They paid for that. Oh, my apologies, that's a neighborhood. Alright, so that's their own fence. Tour of the rich and famous. That one looks like a drug dealer's house to me. But it's beautiful. Here we are into the Swains Lock Road at 7:38. Hey. Not turning there. I thought my map told me to turn there. Here we go. Good morning. This is a really steep hill. Yes, I've pedaled up out of this thing. It's a, holy God, it's horrible. Here we go. All right, this is Swains Lock. Ooh. Oh, all right, part one done. Only like a lot more to go.